Hey guys, Marlon with Impress Computers, and today we have a very dirty computer. If you take out this panel side, take a look on how bad this computer and dusty is. Just look at how the RAM on the graphics card slot is. Just look at the processor. I mean this is not good. We suggest you to clean these computers every time you change your air conditioning in the house, the filters. However, if you don't feel like doing it, we can do it for you for 20 bucks in store. We can blow it off, make sure that everything's working properly, you know, and just get you up and running. If you let this happen, it will stop functioning. It can literally kill the processor because of the overheat. So if you have any questions about this, please give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.